boat is this we're looking at now, Ron?
That one's a 78-foot Higgins PT boat, which is American name for what we would call an MTB. They call it patrol torpedo boat. The latest edition in our fast launch range. Okay,
how long is she? I'll stick your hand next to it.
She's 78 foot, the real one.
Alright.
She's 1/24 scale, so that makes her 37.5 inches long.
Okay.
Which equates 78 foot.
Where would she have served?
They built quite a lot of these in America by the Higgins Boat Company. They mainly served in the Pacific, but this particular one, there was a fleet of them, a small squadron of them, loaned to the British to serve in the Mediterranean and in the Channel. This one's been chosen as a boat that served there, hence the navy grey colours, where there normally be green and dark green and light green for Pacific service. I like the look of the grey camouflage.
So what's included in this kit?
Well, basically everything that you see there. It's fiberglass hull, all the deck and superstructure parts are laser cut. The bridge is a glass fibre moulding. The gun turrets are cast in resin and plastic tubing. All the fittings are white metal and resin, mainly white metal. Things like the torpedo tubes and the Carly float are vac form plastic.
Okay.
It's a fairly straightforward kit and quite a simple kit to build, really. Yeah, it hasn't got massive amounts of detail on it. The funny things on the side down here are actually the exhaust. So when she's cruising at low speed, these exhaust underwater, which keeps the noise down. You know, because with 3,000 horsepower, when you open the taps, it does make a noise. And as soon as she starts to plane, then this is out the water when she goes fast, and then that allows the exhaust to exhaust above the water.
Okay, just push past you there. What scale is it, did you say?
1/24 scale. All our launches are 24 scale.
What motors would you recommend for it? This
one put 2 Kestrels in it, which give you plenty of speed. It's very like the real boats with triple screw. We've done it with a twin screw to make it simpler to build and simpler to drive. Very difficult to control 3 screws equally. It's built to be light, which it is. So it's very, very nippy.
So on your website, what do we find this under?
Being fast launches.
And it's the
Higgins 78-foot PT boat.
Okay.
The other boat we're working on to go with this is the Elko, which is the 80-foot. So we'll end up with both PT boats that served in America and England during the Second World War and afterwards.
You were telling me before that the torpedoes are shorter than standard because they were just short-range torpedoes, weren't they?
Yeah, relatively. They were a derivative of torpedoes that dropped from aeroplanes.
Oh, okay.
Right. And the original boats had tubes on where you fired the torpedo out of a tube, but they weighed about 2 tons each. Whereas an airdrop torpedo is far lighter and shorter, and it's shorter range. Hence these type, you didn't need a tube to launch them, you just rolled them over the side, and away it went.